Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change face in a video with AI in 2024. So today we're going to explore how to change faces in a video using AI. Swapping technology has advanced significantly in the latest year, making it easier than ever to create some realistic videos or face swap for fun with your friends or something like that, or even for professional purposes. So let's get started. Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you will need to go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you can use whatever you want. And you can start by selecting AI face swapping tool that suits your needs. Popular tools includes deepfake lab, face swap, and Zao. So, for example, you'll just look for three options. So, for example, just look for deep like face lab. We will see face swap, and we'll look even for Zao. So, as example, I'll just go here to deep face lab as an example, and face swap as an example. So, which one is it? Is this one or this one? So just open them both as an example. Oh, sorry. We'll just open them here both. And yeah, for this Zao, so just type face like, yeah, Zao face swap. So it seems like an app that you can download on your phone. So let's just go and check it out. So you can start this example by the Deep Face Lab, as you can see. So it seems like the price, first of all, is free. And yeah, as you can see, so some information is about it. How to download it, of course, you can download it on GitHub reposition or torrent or Mega. So basically, you'll have to download it. There's even, I guess, like the option of top view. So top view AI. There's also this one. So for you, of course, you can make your own research about those options and simply choose whatever suits you. Maybe as an example, I'll choose this one. It looks the cleanest. So just go here and click on continue with that. Continue with Google to create an account. Choose my account here. By continuing, it will share your name, etc. Okay, all good. So what's your purpose of using our service example? And as example, just training, education, self-employment, and how did you hear about us? I'll just do social media. Why not? Click on get started. And yeah, so here first of all, they will show you a video on how to convert media material to video to view, etc. So, example, you can watch a video about it if you want. So here, as an example, we can just simply just click on drag like a video to upload. So we will need to, or simply create your video. So as an example, it's in like a video. So just like, I don't know, a random person talking about like weather. As simple as that. Video ratio. I'll put this like that and click on generate. And as you can see, no materials uploaded. Would you like to use sample materials for this experience? So why not? Okay, I'll just list it as is and click on generate. So let's just wait for the video until it gets created as an example. And let's see if this top view can change the face or not. So as example here, as you can see, rational questions with catchy selling points. You can see the voiceover. You can hear like, as example, whatever you want. And you can simply preview whatever suits you here. So you have the first option, second option, and third option. You can preview whatever you want. For example, if you preview this one, so of course you'll be able to preview it, but you'll have to wait for it until it's like finished this downloading or something like that. So just wait for it or load. Of course, in the meantime, you can simply try other things. So, as example, you can here in this like face swap, you can simply upload an image and upload another image that's so the original image and the targeted face as an example. So here if you go to this one, I'll just go first of all and look for some images and come back to you. So, for example, I just found some two random pictures in the internet. So, for example, this one from Poland or something like that, and I'll wanna change it to this one. Of course, you can even choose like pictures from here if you wanna, as an example. So, change this guy face with this, or this guy face with this guy, and click on swap as an example, and we'll see the image generated with AI. That what's gonna do. Of course, here an example. So, this is gonna be the video. I'll be able to click on edits, like, but it's maybe it's not showing face. So as an example here, yeah, it does not seems like it's showing a face. So basically, just try to upload your own. Then you will be able to start editing on it, and of course, you'll be able to start like changing the face. You'll have to select it and make sure to change it. So as I said, other options, like it seems like you need to download. So I'm not going to use it as an example. I'm going to use just this one, and as you can see from this, so its picture, it's kind of changed the guy face. But as we said, for me, I'll change, or I'll choose some picture, another picture which is clearer as an example. So I'll come back to you after I found the picture. So as an example, this one from the beginning, so I'll just go and click on swap as examples, and here I'll wait for the image until it gets created. Of course, make sure to enable this history if you want to go back to whatever you want. And as you can see, so the same beard, same look. It seems like I can tell that it's actually merged. We just changed this. It keeps the same hair line because this guy's bald and this guy's not. But like, yeah. So make sure to choose like someone similar with same hair and same stuff. But as you can see, so this guy is actually in this picture. Of course, you can even upscale it. Just click on upscale and you'll be able to upscale it. And as you can see, there's even this option of phase restoration, and click on generate to upscale it more so it can look even better. So I'll just wait for it until generated. And yeah, that's basically it. So choose the first picture, choose the second picture that you want to change or swap faces with, and you should be good to go. They have even, as example, this is the picture, they have even for multiple faces, and they have also like a video swap face. So if you want to swap video with another one, so as example, you'll need to get a video of yours and change it to whatever you want, to another, like just upload the targeted face and you should be good to go. So yeah, let's just wait for this until it's upscaled. As you can see, it's upscaled a little bit, so it's maybe showing a little bit clearer. I don't know. You can download this whenever you want, and that should be good to go. If you want to upscale multiple images with one click, of course, you'll need to go and get a price or a better plan. So yeah, so that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.